Hey everyone, I'm back again. This time I'm here with September's Allure Beauty Box. Okay, I did August's beauty box and I tried to put them both together, but I didn't have enough storage. So here I am doing a separate video for September's beauty box. Okay, this is Allure's beauty box. And I have to say, I already looked inside because I can't help myself. I can't wait. So I'm in anticipation. I just can't, I don't have the patience to just wait. It's like all these goodies inside, you just want to see what they are. But anyway, everything is still intact so that I can unbox it for you. And here we go. Let's open it up so we can see all the goodies inside. All the Allure beauty goodies. This is the pamphlet that they give you to show you all the products inside that you're getting for this month, okay? And I have to say the beauty box is only $23 a month if you want the beauty box, okay? I am not a sponsor for Allure. I'm just showing you my goodies. That's it. I am not a sponsor, okay? So we're gonna open it up. They give you a little card to show you other products that you can get, and you can get a discount. You can get discounts. Like, let's say this product right here, it says it's $79, but you can receive this product for $29. And this product here was $82. Yep. And you can receive one of these products for $25. You can order from Allure. And then they show you all these other goodies. These are all the other goodies inside. Okay, so here are some more products. Well, let's show you what products we have today. Okay, let's unbox it. This is for September. And the first product on the first page is called French Girl. It's a serum. It's called a serum called French Girl, and it's from Flor. This is French Girl's serum from Flor. Okay, it is an active facial treatment. Okay, and what it does, it says right here, what you'll love about French Girl is it has botanical oils. Botanical oils are the most decadent way to moisturize your skin, and this serum blend of an impressive 27 natural ingredients, organic, wild crafted oils. It's luxurious as it gets. It's as luxurious as it gets. I have a thick tongue, so it's hard for me to get my words out. But some of the things that it has is jojoba, rosehip, geranium, raspberry seed oil, and more. It has lots of good oils mixed together, and it has a delicious scent. And the scent to me is more like, it's really a delicious scent, and it's almost like a potpourri. It's a potpourri of mixes. That's what it smells like. And it does feel good because I tested it. When you put it on your face, it's like an oil, but it doesn't feel oily. And you can feel it plumping your skin. It sets into your skin and it kind of tightens a little bit and firms the skin, makes it look really nice and soft. I loved it. Okay, so the next product we have is a Walk in the Sun. This is a hair mask. It's a Walk in the Sun. And I'm going to try to hurry up because I don't want to be on this video too long. Okay, so let me try to hurry up because I am going a little slower than I want to. It is a repair, restore, and strengthen hair mask. That's what that is. It's called Walk in the Sun. And the regular price, this is the regular size, and the regular price for this is $26, okay? It's $26. That's good. Okay, where can you buy it? Let's see. Where can you buy the French Girl? French Girl is FrenchGirlOrganic.com. And then the Boar. This is the company name is Boar. Okay. It says it is. It says PatriciaSkincare.com. PatriciaSkincare.com is where you can buy this product. Okay, so the next one is called it's like a water bank. It's almost like depositing moisture to your skin, and it's called Laneige Water Bank. It's Laneige Water Bank. Okay, and you get only about 10 milliliters of this, but it comes in a 50 milliliter for $40. Okay, and you can get it from us.laneige.com. us.laneige.com is where you can order this. Okay, and let's open it up. This is the box, and here's the tube. It's Laneige Water Bank, and what it is like a light cream that you put on your face, and it's moisturizing. It moisturizes all day long. It's like an all day long moisturizer. I think it did say something about how many hours. Let me see. It doesn't say. I thought it said that, but it's like an all day moisturizer, and it's really nice under your makeup. It's supposed to be really nice under your makeup. Okay, so that one was $40 for a 50 milliliter. And the next one is the Body Shop. It says the Body Shop, and is Drops of Youth face mask. Drops of Youth face mask. Okay, and this is, let me see how many. It doesn't say how many, what the size will be to buy this product, but this product is $25, and you can get it at the Body Shop, thebodyshop.com, and it's a mask. It's a peeling mask. It's a youth liquid peel. Okay, and it's for pollution clearing. It's a mask to get all the pollutants out of your skin. That's good. I like that. Okay, so that one is $25. And then the next thing we have is a perfume. And the perfume is called, see, this is the perfume, Milk. The perfume is called Milk. Okay, here's Milk. That's Milk. And we're going to take it out. I already smelled it, and to describe, if I was to, it smells good. Oh, that smells so good. But if I was to describe the scent, it says Scent Space Expressive. That's what it says. Scent Space Expressive. I'm sniffing it. It smells so good. It's like a romantic, spicy scent. Is like, it has like hints of like a marshmallow, sweet marshmallow, spicy scent. It says notes of marshmallow. It says marshmallow, tonka bean, and vanilla. That's what it has. It has notes of vanilla, marshmallow, tonka bean. It's really good. It smells good. It's more like a scent for winter. It's more like a winter scent. Okay. The name of it is Milk. It is Commodity Milk is the name. Commodity Milk. And how many? This is where's the mil? It's only 5 milliliters, but for 100 milliliters you can get this for $135. And it smells delicious. And then later on, as time passes, the scent gets even better. Because I tried it. I even sprayed my pillow with it. And oh my God, it's like as time passed, the more time passed, the more the scent is even more delicious. So this is very nice. A very romantic vanilla spice. It's like a vanilla spice. For $135, ooh, that is very nice. So the next thing we have is something I don't really need, but you never know. It's supposed to be a miracle patch that you can put on blemishes on your face. And this is, how many patches? It says 24 patches in here. Okay, it's supposed to be invisible spot cover for blemishes you might have on your face, or maybe other places, but mainly for your face. Okay, and for that, okay, and what is the name? Miracle Patch. It says it's Real Beauty Miracle Patch, and it is for it doesn't say the size. It doesn't say the size it would be, but the regular price is $12, and you can get it at Get Well. Get Well is with RAEL, not REAL, but RAEL is getwell.com. Okay, and right now they have promo codes. A lot of them have the promo codes. I didn't even know that. But that's pretty good. I like that. Okay, so you can get that for, how much was that again? $12. And then the next thing, I saw these on Amazon. And they have other delicious scents. And it's a body scrub. This is one you get to try. Body scrubs. Okay, it is from Saban. Saban. I think the name is Saban. Okay. And this one is patchouli, lavender, and vanilla. It's supposed to be based in natural Dead Sea salt. That's really good. It's like sea salt from the what is the Dead Sea is what they call it? The Dead Sea salt. Okay, it's supposed to be really good for your skin. That would be like polishing for your skin, make your skin very soft. It says this scrub